The FRA is a 3-step test system. Start the balance test. Test 1. This test is to check how much your body does not shake. Test 2. This test is to check how much your body does not shake with eyes closed. Test 3. This test is to check how much your body does not shake on the mat. Test 4. This test is to check how much your body does not shake with your eyes closed on the mat. Test 5. This test is to check how quickly you can reach the target that appears. Test 6. This test is to check how aligned your body is to the moving target. Test 7. This test is to check how quickly you can move along the footprints that appear on screen. The test is complete. Proceed to the InBody test. Proceed to the InBody test. Start the leg strength test. Select the type of balance exercise. Select the level of difficulty. The balance exercise is complete.